Hello everyone, my name is Satyam Pawar. Today we are going to see ways to import RAML in Anypoint Studio. So basically there are three important ways to import RAML in Anypoint Studio. So first one is download a RAML from Design Center. So where we are creating or designing a RAML in Design Center. From that location we can import it to Studio. Second one is import RAML from local file, just local file whichever in our local machine we can import it to a studio. And third one is nothing but import a published API, which is nothing but from exchange and from maven. There are two options to import it, that published API. So exchange is nothing but whatever we published raml in last video, that raml we can import to a studio. That is a stable version, more stable version. And from maven means it will be a dependency, you can add as a dependency and it will create a flows in your studio. So let's see how to do that practically. So create a mule project. So first you have to create a mule project. In this mule project we are going to check first option is download raml from design center. So I will give the name, we have to create different options here. So I will give name accounts api, whichever our option created API in exchange. And I will just give name as a design because we are going to import it from design. So download raml from design center option I used. And here we have to go to design center. So it will show us option and it will directly show whatever the APIs are available in design center. So we have accounts API. I am downloading it here. And just finished. So it has created flows here. It has created listener, a API kit router, the error handling for API kit errors are there. API kit console also created. So these two flows are created, and the other flows which we defined in the raml, like get accounts account number, and the post accounts. For these all of them, it has created this transform message where we defined a sample response for it. So it is created here also. It is created. So this is created, our skeleton is created here. We can implement further on this one as per our requirement. So this is the first way to download a raml from design center. Let's see second way. Again, same thing we have to do. Second way is import raml from local. So I will give name as accounts API local and just browse here in local. I have that accounts API here. I will import it as a zip file. So just finish. So this is a second way to import a raml in Anypoint Studio, which is nothing but from local file. It is also the creating same thing, API kit router, error handling for API kit router, API console, and same flows, get accounts account number, and this post accounts, similar like a design center. Let's see third option from published API, from which we will use first option of this one, import published API. Here if you see plus, add a new dependency option from exchange it is saying. So I will first use from exchange. So I will give name as accounts API exchange, and here we have to just go to exchange, search your API. You'll get all the published APIs here. like a standard one from MuleSoft and whatever we did from our side. So accounts API I need to import here. So just add it and then finish. So it will show accounts API dependence. This one and just finish. It has also created same thing. PC API XML, packet bad. I means all the errors of API Kit console here, and then same close. Same thing is there. Only extra thing is here. If we see the difference between difference between these two, this design and local. Here it is directly creating folders for RAML. So you can update from here for local and design option. Here also same thing, but this one is directly referring from Exchange. So it has created, if you see here, a packet router configuration. If you see the difference here, a packet router configuration, show you stuff. We see here, this is the referring from. Can see here router configuration. You see, it is referring from this is the business group ID, which is group ID, accounts API, RAML, zip. So this is referring from Exchange directly, and it has also added a dependency for it. But these two options, this account local and the other option, dependency is not created. Also, if you see configuration of this one, router configuration, here it is referring from api.raml file. So that is local file. So these design and this one are referring from local file. Yes. So exchange, it is referring from the exchange file. That is as a dependency. Same option will be there. Next option. The next option, published API, which is from Maven. If you last option is accounts API, Maven. You just have to here from Maven and you have to add dependency. So let's try to add this dependency here. So group ID, it's mentioned group ID. So let's see in the exchange how we can add that. So exchange, we go to assets. So all assets will be here. And if you, yeah, so it is showing self asset. Let me open another way. All assets, accounts API is here. And if I expand this one, okay, let's open this. And here, if you see API instances, now you will be able to see this URL here. This will be your group ID. So just put it here, group ID. There is a company name instead of that group ID. Then artifact ID is nothing but your API name. So this is your artifact ID. And last one is version. Snapshot is not there. This is just 1.0.0. We see here. More than this, there are two types tags you have to add. One is classification tag. this one, or add classification, which is RAM, a classifier, which is RAML, and one more tag you have to add type. So we added as a zip file, right? In previous one, if you see, this is as a type. So this will become your RAML dependency from Maven. So you just have to put it here. Click OK. Yeah, it will import this RAML from this group ID, that is business group, and just finish it. It will take some time. Yeah, it's created. If you see here also, same thing happened. There is no RAML imported, and this is referred from this dependency, Maven dependency. Same thing as a published page from Exchange. And here also, whatever dependency we added, that dependency is added here. So these are the 4 ways, which is nothing but from design center, local, and in publish there are 2 ways, Exchange and Maven. So these are the 4 ways to import RAML in Anypoint Studio, and you can further implement your API as per your requirement. So this importing a RAML from published API is a standard way. It's used in your projects as well. So we'll stop here and we will come to a next topic with the implementation of APIs or in data view. Thank you.